Now that we're addressing the need to repair sidewalks damaged by root growth of city-owned trees, what are we doing, or what plans are in place to monitor these affected trees to see how they respond to winter storms as well as summer storms? They've lost root volume, and with that loss of volume, there must be some effect on their ability to withstand weather. This will be an interesting conundrum for those in the city who are in charge of this program, and I hope that they've thought about that. This may result in many trees, like this one, being chopped down eventually, if for no other reason but to protect the homes of those whose sidewalks were affected. This is Eustace Leon Greaves Jr., Greaves Financial Services, and the Bridge Insurance Agency. 718-489-2218, 718-783-2722, forgive me. Again, 718-783-2722, and Eustace at insuremeeg.com. Peace.